Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we try to make sense of the wild world of corporate filings and maybe find a hidden gem or a ticking time bomb. Today we're diving into Vestand Incorporated S latest form 8K, and this one is a little spicy with some interesting expansion plans. So what is the big news here, Vestan's subsidiary? Vestand Korea Company Limited is buying a big chunk of another company called AI Mindbot Equity. Now, AI Mindbot Equity is the largest owner of Accession Corp, and Accession Corp is a company based in South Korea that is listed on the Kosdaq stock market. Accesion's main thing is providing technology for smart cards and mobile security platforms. This move is part of Vestand's strategy, which they call their crypto treasury strategy. It sounds like they are diversifying and possibly leveraging new technologies to manage their digital assets, or maybe use these technologies to secure their crypto holdings. Now, Vestand Inc. itself is incorporated in Delaware, and its main executive office is in Brea, California. You might recognize their stock trading symbol VSTD. On the Nasdaq Capital Market, it is interesting to note that they've checked the box indicating they are an emerging growth company, and they have elected not to use the extended transition period for new or revised financial accounting standards. This suggests they want to be compliant with the latest accounting rules without delay, which can be a sign of confidence or due diligence. Let's talk about what they are registered to trade. It is their class of common stock, and the symbol is VSTD. It is traded on the Nasdaq stock market, specifically the Nasdaq Capital Market. This tells us they are a publicly traded company and accessible to investors. This report is filed under the Securities Exchange Act of 1934, which is the standard for companies that are publicly traded in the US. It is a current report, meaning it is disclosing something significant that is happening now, rather than just routine quarterly or annual updates. The date of the earliest event reported is the 15th of September 2025. This section is all about how they are disclosing information to the public. Regulation FD, or fair disclosure, means that when a company releases material non-public information, it has to make sure that information is available to everyone at the same time, not just to a select few analysts or investors. So, this press release about the acquisition in Korea is being shared with everyone simultaneously. There aren't detailed financial tables in this particular 8K filing, which is common for this type of report, which focuses on specific events rather than a broad financial overview. However, the strategic move itself tells us a lot. This is really the crux of the announcement. They are integrating a Korean company focused on smart card and mobile security into their operations, and they are explicitly linking this to their crypto treasury strategy. What does this really mean? It could mean a few things. First, they might see Accession Corp. It's technology as a way to better secure their own cryptocurrency holdings. Think of it like buying a high-tech safe for your digital money. Second, they might be looking to leverage this technology to offer new services related to crypto security or digital asset management. This could be a way for Vestand to move beyond just holding crypto and into actively managing it or providing services around it. The company is making a significant investment here. While we don't have the exact dollar amount of the acquisition in this filing, buying a controlling interest in a Kosdaq listed company is usually a substantial transaction. It suggests they are willing to spend significant capital to execute this strategy. The fact that this is part of their crypto treasury strategy is key. It signals that managing and securing digital assets is a core focus for them going forward. This could mean they believe the future of treasury management is digital, and they want to be at the forefront of securing that digital future. The report is signed by Ji-won Kim, who is the Chief Executive Officer of Vestand Incorporated. Having the CEO sign off on it indicates the importance of this filing and the strategic direction it represents for the company. Now let's look at the bigger picture and what this might mean for Vestand. Like most filings, they include forward-looking statements. These are basically educated guesses about the future, often using words like expects, anticipates, believes, etc. They are warning people that these are not guarantees, and that actual results could differ due to various risks. This is standard practice to protect the company from lawsuits if their future plans don't pan out as expected. They mention risks described in their SEC filings, including their Form 10-K for the year ended the 31st of December, 2024. Investors should always pay attention to these risk factors. This is a crucial disclaimer. What they say today might be correct, but things change fast in business, especially in the tech and crypto space. They also state they do not have an obligation to update these statements unless the law requires them to. So, what is my take on this? Vestand is making an aggressive move into the crypto security space by acquiring a stake in Accession Corp. This suggests they are serious about their crypto treasury strategy and are willing to invest in the technology and expertise needed to secure digital assets. The potential upside is significant if they can successfully integrate and leverage XCure's technology, perhaps creating new revenue streams or strengthening their existing digital operations. However, there are always risks. Integrating a foreign company, navigating new technologies, and the inherent volatility of the crypto market are substantial challenges. They are an emerging growth company, which often means they are in a high growth, high risk phase. This acquisition could be a game changer, propelling them forward, or it could be a costly misstep if the integration or market conditions prove unfavorable. The move into crypto security is timely and aligns with the growing importance of digital asset protection. Investors should keep a close eye on how Vestand executes this strategy and how XCure Corp. Its technology fits into their broader business model. That is our quick decoder on Vestand's latest announcement. What are your thoughts on this move into crypto security? Does it seem like a smart bet for Vestand? Drop your opinions in the comments below and let us know what other filings you want us to break down. If you found this analysis helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Corporate Decoder for more insights into the financial world. And don't forget to join our Discord community. The link is in the description for more real-time discussions and analysis. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.